One of the most common questions we get as a technical support engineer is how to identify the part number of the valve body going off of the part number of the coil. It is worth noting that it is not possible to identify the valve body just based off of the coil number. And that is because there are different types of valve bodies and different types of coils. So there can be multiple different variations and combinations. In order to identify the part number of the coil, you will come to the front part of the coil and just simply read off the part number. However, in order to find the part number of the valve body, the coil needs to be removed. On this cylinder shaft part of the valve body, you can read the model number and the part number. And that is how you properly identify the part numbers for the Danfoss coil and Danfoss solenoid valve. To learn more about this topic, please check the description below. For more videos like this, please visit our YouTube channel, Danfoss Cool US. Thanks for watching.